Quiz time. We are going to do a quiz, a connector quiz for cause and effect. So I hope you've watched all of lesson 5 and you understand. If you don't, maybe just watch it again so you can get ready for this quiz. Here is an example. The match was cancelled, blank, bad weather. So what is the cause? What is the effect? Well, bad weather is the cause, the reason, and the match was cancelled is the effect or the result. So we need a connector that introduces cause. And weather is a noun. So do you remember which connector introduces a cause and is connected to a noun? Do you remember? Think about it. Due to and because of. These follow the preposition structure. So they are connected to a noun. It's your turn. Just choose the correct connector. You have a 15-second time limit. So if you feel you need more time, just pause the video. Leave a comment under the video if you have something on your mind. Maybe something isn't clear or you just have a question. Another student or myself will try to respond when we have time. All right? Okay. Good luck.
Take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on the highway, you know. Wow. Come on. Come on, groove along. You gotta feel it.